Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, we are going full cosmic with this alien invitations inspired outfit that's out of this world. So if you want to create this fit, let me show you the steps. So first, this is the skin tone that I'm using, the hex code. You can use this if you want to, or you can also use another color if you want. And let's do the hair. So for the hair in here, I'm going to use the animated hair under the straight hair category. Click on it. So I'm going to use this one right here and color it a little bit white. This one in here, and I'm going to toggle it into animated, and then I'm going to combine it with the spanks, change the same color, okay. So if you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfit. So for the outfit in here, I'm going to go to here and put on this corset in here and toggle it into dress. So for the first preview, I'm going to use this dark blue or navy color. This is the hex code, and the front I'm going to use the so I'm going to make it skin color like this. And for the trim, I'm going to use this blue neon color, and I'm going to change the texture into neon. It will glow just like that. And for the lace, I'm going to use the dark blue. For the accents, also the dark blue color. Here I'm going to put on this stockings and change the color into dark blue also, and I'm going to use this one on the arms and change the color into dark blue again. Now you can just finish up with some accessory. For the shoe, I'm going to use a shoe from code items. Here I'm going to put on this one first, change the color into blue, and then I'm going to put on these hat piece and change the color into this dark blue color. For the chains and the gems color, I'm going to make it the same with your skin tone, like this. Now let's put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots from the code item, this one, and change the color into the dark blue color. And the second preview, I'm going to go with the skin tone color, and the third one, the neon color. So this is it. This is the alien invasion outfit info for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.